All right. All right. So here's just a little update on my last video that I posted about a Lipo disposal. You can go up there and you can go ahead and click the little eye up there to check it out if you haven't already. But this is just a little update after one of you guys asked me, I forget what the question was, but you guys asked me something and made me double check the voltage of the battery. I did, and it was at 2 point something volts. That was actually after I put it into the trash and then took it out of the trash, and it did freeze. Like the cells, you could actually feel were frozen, and when it warmed back up, it was at a higher voltage. I hooked it up to this time I just used some alligator clips, these alligator clips right here. Hooked it up and put the two of them together. Let's see if we can get a good reading from this. Alright, 0.9. Okay, so there we go. The battery is pretty much dead. Pretty much basically dead. The battery's pretty much dead. I've kept it plugged in for a little under 24 hours. So I think it's pretty good. I think we're pretty dead. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. One other thing I wanted to ask you guys, would you guys want to see more videos from me? Would you guys want to see more videos like this? Not more videos like this, more videos from me, maybe twice a week. I'm thinking about going to a twice a week schedule. Let me know if that's something that you are interested in. Let me know if you guys would want to see that. Twice a week, me uploading something. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week or at the track.